going on, everybody? It's your girl SnkrMom back in the building, back with another review for you guys. Today I'm going to be reviewing the new Air Max 1 Concepts collaboration. Let's get into it.
All sound production.
You got this nice Nike box that has this nice colors going all throughout the box. It says Nike on the front with the different materials in each of the letters. Then you had this nice flowery Nike check. This side of the shoe, you got another Nike check with the flowers going all through it. And then on this side, it says Concepts with your different colors for each letter. And then on the front of the box, it reads Nike Air Max 1 SP, and the colorway is oil green, multicolor sale. Let's get into it. We're gonna open up this box. You had the same normal brown on the top of the box, but then we had this very nice tissue paper that's red and it has different Nike text with the flowers going all between it. And then it has Concepts written all on the tissue paper, which is very nice. The inside of the box. We're gonna open up this side. Looks the same. Right after that one, you had this nice cell material tissue that's just there after that one. Then we got the main ingredient of the shoe, the Nike Air Max 1 Mellow. This is another collaboration with Nike and Concepts. This one is the Air Max 1 Mellow. They had the Air Max 1 Heavy, and then they had the Air Max 1 Far Out, which was a whole collaboration of three different shoes that came out. This one was the first one that came out, the Mellow. Very, very nice shoe. All three of them are nice. This one right here is just, the materials in these shoes are just A1, perfectly, nicely done. Nothing wrong, no quality control going wrong on this. This whole shoe is just done just perfectly. But let's get into this shoe. All right, we got this nice acid denim going across the whole shoe right here on the toe box right here, and this light acid wash denim. It got the little moon and a star and a line, which was on all of the Woodstock tickets from back in the day. This represents the 60s and the 70s. Concerts that they used to have, like the hippie era. So that's why you got all these different colors and different materials going on. Then we got this nice green canvas coming across the front of the toe box also, which is very nice. You got this nice, we're gonna go with, I would say it's like a cow material, I would say that is. Right here, going on the front of the shoe right here on the top right here by the shoelaces. You got this nice burgundy shoelaces with a velvety material on the behind it going up the tongue of the shoe. The tongue says Nike, and it has Concepts on the top of the tongue right there in the different colors with the old Nike symbol. This also has another little guitar pick that came on these. It says Concepts on this side, and on the other side says Nike, and which is very nice. It's in the sail colorway. Nice little guitar pick that they have hanging on the shoe. Then we're gonna get to this side right here. You got the nice flowery Nike check going on right here that goes into this nice, I would say this is that dark blue? It's dark, maybe it's black. Dark blue or black bandana material come across the back of the shoe right here. You got your Nike with the thread right here. Thread still sticking out, which is nice. Right here you got Concepts come across the back of the heel of the shoe in the purple, and I would say a purple and a teal looking color come across the back of the shoe, which is very nice. You got this nice purple corduroy right here on the eyelid of the shoe. Very nice touch. Inside the shoe you got this little rib maroon material coming across the inside of the ankle of the shoe. Then on the inside of the shoe it just has a Nike check, and it has these different, let me pull out this shoe insert, which is very nice because it's very colorful. That's what the inside of the inserts look like. Very nice touch to the shoe. We're gonna get to the side of the shoe. You got this nice sail rubber material coming across on the bottom of the shoe with these dark brown speckles also coming around the bottom of the shoe that represents the dirt that you would have been in if you would have been out there at the concerts. The dirt flying up around on the ground. This is what the shoe would end up looking like after the show was over. We're gonna turn to this side of the shoe. You got this Nike check that has a green, a maroon, and I would say I'm gonna go up for a navy blue material color going in this Nike check right here. On the bottom of the shoe, you have a dark brownish maroon color rubber on the bottom of the shoe, which is a very nice touch. This shoe is just nice, like no complaints. I love them. I liked all three. This was the left shoe. Let's get to the right shoe. Looks the same, pretty much the same way, except for, as you can see, this acid wash, it looks different on each shoe. You got this acid wash denim coming across here. You got your star, you got your moon star and a line right here on the top of the toe right here. You got your green canvas coming across the front of the toe box. You got this nice maroon shoelaces coming across right here with the velvet material in the back with the Nike, old Nike symbol right here on the tongue, right with Concepts on the bottom of that. And then on these, as you can see, you get 2 extra laces. You got these velvet maroon laces, which is very nice. And then they also come with these white laces, which is very nice touch to the shoe. You got this rippled maroon going across the ankle of the inside of the shoe. Let me pull out this insert also, because it has something on this one. This one says Concepts, but I don't know if they, well, yeah, they look kind of looks the same as those. You just put them, I don't know, they're supposed to connect, but this is what they both look like together. And then the inside of it reads, this shoe contains fur, real fur, dyed Doven fur, and it originated in Brazil. So that's what that says right there on the inserts of the shoe. And then you got your Concepts right here also on the inserts of the shoe. Very nice shoe. You can't go wrong. These right here was just very, very nice shoe. I said the floral, you still got that floral Nike check going on right here with this bandana material coming across the back of the heel. Concepts in your purple going on right here, the shoe. And then you still got that same cow material coming across the front of the shoe right here. But like I said, this shoe right here was just, you can't go wrong with these. I like the, when I first saw them, I was like, man, that's just very nice collaboration. Concepts always had nice collaborations with Nike. And this time it was on the Air Max 1. Just the perfect, I know they came out for Air Max month, which was March 26th was Air Max day, but everybody usually wear Air Maxes all March, for Air Max month. And this was just a perfect month to bring them out, and they was just a perfectly nice shoe. I'm gonna wear mine year round. I don't just wear shoes just in a month because they call it Air Max month. I wear them whenever I want to wear them, but this, like I said, these right here, you can't go wrong. Y'all let me know down in the comments below what y'all think about these. The Nike Air Max 1. This is the Mellows. I had the heavies. Let me show you the heavies. And y'all just let me know. Y'all let me know down in the comments below which one would you have went for. This was the Mellow edition of the collaboration, and this is the heavy edition of the collaboration. And they also had the far outs. They came out. They supposed to have a special box. I got those two. I'm just waiting for them to come in the mail, so I'm gonna give y'all a review on those when that one comes in. But these two so far are the ones I have. So y'all just let me know what y'all think about them. Which one did you try to go for? Did you go for any of them? Or just let me know something. If you don't even want to talk about the shoe, you want to say hey to me in the comments, and I'll reply back to you. But yeah, that's it. That's all I pretty much got for y'all today on these Mellows Air Max 1. Continue to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when I post all my videos. Follow me on Instagram at SnkrMom1721. And yeah, that's it, y'all. Hit me with these comments. I love these comments. I love engaging with everybody, talking about shoes and just, your opinion, what you think about them, or asking me size questions, whatever you got. I'm coming right back to you, talking to you. So let's continue just chop it up down there in the comment section. But that's all I got for y'all today. So until the next time, it's your girl SnkrMom. Peace.
Production.